Hello from Summerhill Village, coming to show you 1223 Wellington. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. Come and see us. This is all set up so that you can UTour. UTour, you sign up, you get a QR code, and you can come and view this on your own after hours or on the weekend. Here is our laundry room where you can have either gas or electric dryer. We have upgraded insulation, double pane windows, and central air. Walking into the master. And this is a queen size bed. Just so that you know for size. We have a great size walk-in closet here for all of your goodies. And this beautiful master bath with a walk-in shower, his and hers sink, and some more storage over here. We will be having an upcoming open house, June 13th. Come and see us. Again, this is a UTour home, so you can come and see this one anytime. Again, you just do the QR code and you are in the door. We have a beautiful community here. Come and see us. Come and see our homes. If you have any questions, let me know. This is Leilani, 989-560-0785.